My name is Dr. Alistair Finch. Many years ago, in what feels like another lifetime, I was awarded a Nobel Prize in Physics for my work on quantum entanglement. My theories helped explain how tiny particles could be connected across vast distances of space. I have spent my life looking at the very small to understand the very large. I have advised governments and spoken at great universities. I have seen humanity achieve wonders and make grave errors. I tell you this not to boast, but so you understand that when I speak now, I do so with the full weight of my experience and with a profound sense of responsibility for what I am about to share with you today, on this day, August 7th, 2025. To understand what has happened, we must first look to the moon. For so long it was our constant silent companion in the night sky. We dreamed of it, wrote poems about it, and eventually we walked upon its surface. But our visits were brief, and the moon kept many of its secrets. In recent years, a new age of lunar exploration began, led by the brilliant minds at the Indian Space Research Organisation, or ISRO. Their Chandrayaan-3 mission was a source of immense national pride for India and a beacon of inspiration for the entire world. It was a testament to human ingenuity, perseverance, and the peaceful pursuit of knowledge for all humankind. The mission had clear and noble goals. The initial data was subtle, almost too small to be noticed. The instruments on the Vikram lander were designed to analyze the chemical composition of the lunar regolith, the loose dust and rock that covers the moon's surface. As scientists on Earth studied the readings from the soil directly beneath the lander's original position, they found trace elements that were unexpected. At first, it was dismissed as an instrumental error, a sensor glitch, or perhaps contamination from the lander itself. These things happen in space exploration. You check your equipment, you run diagnostics, and you move on. But the signal, however faint, refused to go away. Let me speak plainly without scientific jargon. Chandrayaan-3 did not discover microbes or fossils. It did not find the ruins of a city or the wreckage of a spaceship. The truth is, in some ways, far more profound and disturbing. The mission uncovered a buried layer of what can only be described as a form of nanotechnology. These are not just building blocks of life, they are microscopic machines. Each molecule is a tiny manufactured object, designed with a specific purpose and linked together to form a vast, interconnected network. The moment the news was officially released, a hush fell over the world. It wasn't a single dramatic announcement, but more of a slow, careful release of information confirmed by space agencies from the United States, Europe and China, who were all given access to the data by India. The usual clamour of politics and entertainment news just faded into the background. For the first time in a generation, the entire planet was focused on a single story. People gathered in city squares. As we continue to analyze the faint signals from Chandrayaan-3, a picture is beginning to form, however incomplete. The nanites, these tiny machines, appear to be a form of data storage. They are, in a sense, a library. The structure of the molecules holds information in a way that is so dense, it makes our best supercomputers look like primitive toys. They were not from our solar system. They were travelers who arrived here an impossibly long time ago. The preliminary dating of the artifacts places their construction at around 600 million years in the past. This was a time on Earth when the most complex life was simple marine organisms. This discovery has placed humanity at a critical turning point. The path we choose to walk in the coming years will define our future as a species. One path is the path of fear. We could see this ancient technology as a threat, a Pandora's box that is best left unopened. The other path is the path of courage and curiosity. This is the path of science. It requires us to proceed with extreme caution, but to proceed nonetheless. It requires unprecedented global cooperation. The secrets buried on the moon are too vast for any one nation to uncover alone. The potential rewards of this second path are almost beyond imagination. If we can learn to read the lunar archive, we could gain access to a treasure trove of knowledge. In times of great uncertainty, it's only natural to feel afraid. The universe, which once seemed vast but understandable, now feels older, stranger, and filled with ghosts. The silence we once took for emptiness now feels like an unanswered question. But I want to leave you not with a message of fear, but with one of hope. The discovery on the moon is not an ending, it is a new beginning for human inquiry. And our greatest tool in this new era remains what it has always been: science. It's this slow, steady process of discovery that will guide us. Let us walk into this new dawn together. Like and subscribe to Cosmic Discover, and let us explore the future, side by side.